What makes a creature truly terrifying? It's not just imagination, it's the details that bring nightmares to life. Introducing the brushes of the Damned FlipBox, a spine-chilling collection for ZBrush and Blender, crafted to take your monsters from good to unforgettable. With these brushes, scars feel real, scales come alive, and horrors crawl out of your screen. You'll have everything you need to sculpt creatures that haunt your audience long after they close their eyes. This isn't just about adding details. It's about becoming the kind of artist who can turn ideas into true nightmares. And the best part? You get it all for a fraction of the original price, and 10% of every purchase goes to SpecialEffect, helping everyone experience the magic of play. Brushes of the Damned, a ZBrush and Blender flipbox. Available now only on FlippedNormals.com.